Here's a straightforward process to remove the Apple Watch band in just 15 seconds and attach a new one if you want. This process is common for all Apple Watch series. On the back of the Apple Watch, you will find two thin, elongated release buttons. One is located at the top, and the other at the bottom of the watch. While holding the release button, slide the corresponding band piece sideways. It should easily slide out of the groove. Repeat the process for the other half of the band. To attach the belt again, keep the metal button in front of you when attaching the band and the Apple Watch faces down. Repeat the same process, and that's it. I hope you like this video. Don't miss to like, share, and subscribe. Also, comment for more help.